how to fix the PayPal error that says, "We can't send your money right now. Keep watching because I'll walk you through a few steps that usually solve this issue." First, check that you have enough funds to cover the amount you're trying to send. If your balance is low, add money or sort out any account problems. Next, make sure your PayPal account is fully set up and verified. Your email, phone number, and other details should be correct and up to date. To update them, tap your profile icon, go to personal info, and add or edit your email, phone number, and address. Also, double check the recipient information. A small typo in the email or username can stop the transfer from going through. Try clearing the cache of your PayPal app as well. This can fix temporary bugs that affect sending money. If the issue continues, try using a different payment method. For example, switch from your linked bank to a card or vice versa. To link a new bank or card, open your wallet, tap the plus button, and choose what you want to add. If none of these steps work, your best option is to contact PayPal customer support. They can look into your account, identify what's causing the problem, and help you get it resolved.